Once you've determined you have black algae, how do you get rid of it? See it growing in between the rocks and the cracks. The way you get rid of it is you brush it with a metal brush. See that most of it came up. We will sprinkle chlorine, calcium hypochlorite right on top of all the black areas after you brush them off. Takes a high concentration of chlorine to kill it. You don't want it to come back. Let that sit a little bit. There we are, just a few minutes later. All the algae, there you go.